So I'm going to put this wax paper on the floor. All right, son, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, stand on the wax paper.
Okay.
Now skate.
Come on, you don't know how to do this. And isn't this gonna turn our feet plastic? You didn't need to show me. It's not right.
But can you imagine a bunch of preschoolers? And then I come in there sliding, them kids was looking like, what? You done broke yours. Now, I never saw that happen, of course. That's because we got this generic wrap. Yeah, we using this right here. Whew. So I got this idea from a teacher, preschool teacher. She had like an activity for the kids, ice skating. So my son just was having fun with me, cheering me up for today. Thank you, son.